Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
As you can see, Beth is here. She's just setting up her camera here because she's so happy with the results she's got here. She's growing sprouts, and after just 4 days, if you want to take a look, yeah, really good. And excellent for stews or soups,
Today's
any of that. So they're doing real good here. So she wants to, I know she's going to take a video of it and put it up on her YouTube channel of what she did here and that, and how she was able to do that. Yeah, looking good.
Wow. Success dahil
Yeah, good. Yeah. And like I said, now that's good for soups or stews or any of that, to just cut those up. And all the roots you can see, and this is what, after 4 days?
Yeah.
After just 4 days.
Today is 5 days. But
Oh, today is 5 days? Well, yeah. 4 or 5 days. Like I said, it's done really good. And that with all the sprouts, and to clean them up and to separate them out and then wash them, and everything should be really good. Oh, more success for the little lady here in the kitchen.
Yeah.
It keeps...
Now, this is my first time I did, because before it's not a success.
Yeah.
Now it's success sprouts.
Yep.
This is mungo beans.
You can't let them go too long, and that they get so attached and everything to the paper or the canvas that you can't even get them out. But this is about right. Yeah, very good. Excellent. Excellent. And that.
I need to wash.
In the meantime, I'm going to kind of take you into my canning room here, kind of our pantry here, and you'll get an idea of what I did yesterday in the process of trying to upload videos. And by the way, I won't even let you know how long it took to upload the last video. It's kind of embarrassing. It's embarrassing that we even have an internet that's that slow, and that it takes that long to upload a 3-4 minute video. But it did, and I finally got it up at, I don't know, late last night. But yeah, pretty disgusting. But I canned 2 rounds of beans. Like I said, this will probably be the last canning of the beans here, and that we're definitely going to get some more beans for sure, and see if I can get a little bit more light on these here. But we'll probably just eat those or give the rest of them away. I've got now, with those 14 pint jars of beans, maybe 45 quart jars and pint jars of beans, which should be a good enough supply. And that, along with by canning the carrots and the potatoes, and of course the stew that you saw online here. So just wanted to let everybody know the canning's going really good here. I wish I could get a hold of quart canning jars here. Just so expensive and so difficult to come by. They seem to have the pints, but no good luck so far on the quarts, and the one I've seen is close to, $20 a piece, $20 a piece for a quart jar, which is kind of outrageous. Anyhow, I thought I'd let everybody know a little bit of what we were doing yesterday here. So everything is set. Back kind of out in the kitchen here with Beth, and her sprouts look really good.
Yeah.
I'll leave you folks with this, and I guess we'll probably make some soup or do something today here that we can use these sprouts and that. But yeah, excellent.
So nice, really.
Yeah, really good. So say goodbye, Beth. And
Bye-bye, guys.
yeah.
Thank you so much for watching the video.
Yeah, like and subscribe, and thanks again to all of our viewers who are kindly putting up with our slow internet now. And hopefully it can't do anything but improve. After the last couple days, it's got to be kind of all uphill from here. So I'm going to say goodbye from the back of the camera here, and we'll be back again hopefully soon.